11th annual Dancing with Our
Crazy.
Stars.
We'll get to that in a minute because I am honored, you know that, to be friends with you, first of all, and to be asked back because I believe, it's not waiting for me to brag, but this may be the first time that we've had a repeat host. Is that true?
First time ever. As you know, last year was the first nighter.
Right.
But no more.
Yeah.
We are back. It's our anniversary a year later. And
I love it.
I'm excited. I'm excited. We're gonna have a lot of fun.
Let's talk about the center first, and just kind of what all of what you guys do, because I'm not sure that people realize everything that you guys do, and then how we can help you, and then we'll get to the fun that we're going to have on Friday. But tell us about the Center for the Homeless, and just everything that happens down there.
Absolutely, that's great. And we do have a lot of fun at the center, and our guests are a lot of fun, and they just have great spirits. They've been through a lot. They've been down on their luck. There's been situational homelessness, generational homelessness, but they're there to make a difference. They're there to change their life. It's hopefully a transformative experience for them and not just an overnight stay. And so that's why our programming is really geared towards changing the whole person. We're looking at the mental, emotional, physical, spiritual self, and we do that through our